How to send cryptocurrency from Binance to another wallet. So to start things off, what we are going to want to be doing to, actually know how you're going to be sending cryptocurrency from a Binance wallet to another wallet is basically we're first of all going to go ahead into our Binance.com center space. Now, obviously, as we all know, Binance is one of the most top leading, you could say, crypto exchange, currency exchange for Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, all these different types of cryptos out there. Binance works the best out of all of them. And, you can get a comprehensive snapshot of all current cryptocurrencies available. There's 24-hour trading volumes, price changes, everything can be found on Binance. And Binance is a global company that operates the largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of daily trading or daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. And the best part about all of that is it's an online exchange where users can actually trade cryptocurrencies in an online platform in the easiest way. Now, the best part about trading is like any other crypto exchange, Binance offers services for trading, listing, fundraising, delisting, and withdrawing cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts willing to launch their tokens can use Binance to raise funds through their ICOs or initial coin offerings. And to start trading, you must complete the necessary know your customer requirements. Upon successfully creating a trading account, they can add funds to their public wallet address. And the Binance Exchange supports four main types of orders: limit, market, stop limit, and one cancels the other orders. Okay, so this gives us a general idea about Binance, and what we're here to discuss is how you're going to send crypto from your Binance wallet to another wallet. That's where it gets a bit tricky because your Binance wallet has a set, you could say, it has a set wallet address. Okay, every wallet has a set wallet address. So if I were to show you or give you an example, basically, if I come here to any, like I have a MetaMask wallet or something like that, so you can see your actual wallet address for Binance and for all these cryptocurrency companies have a wallet address and they all have it. Now, the reason for that, and your wallet address will look something like this. It's quite long. That's why you can't really memorize it. You have to copy and keep it somewhere. So any crypto industry out there has a wallet address, and you're going to have one too. And I'm going to show you how you're going to relocate your wallet address in Binance. So in easier words, to basically go ahead and send cryptocurrency from Binance to another wallet from your account, what you're going to want to do is, first of all, you're going to know your wallet address. Okay, that's compulsory. And the most important thing is knowing the other place's wallet address. So if you want to send from Binance to, let's say, another wallet, MetaMask could be another wallet, or maybe your Coinbase wallet, or maybe your NFT art wallet, any type of wallet that you have. So as you can see, I have a few wallets. I have a MetaMask wallet. Then down here, I have all these other wallets as well that I can use. So, all these wallets have a set wallet address, and you're going to copy off that wallet address from the actual sending settings. Now, wallet address can normally be found in either the wallet settings, or you can actually find them in your actual sender settings. In the sender settings, you're going to go into your wallet's address, and in your wallet's address, it's going to give you your address looking just like this. Okay, it's that easy to find it. And trust me, it's a piece of cake to get your wallet address. Now, once you have gotten your wallet address and you want to go ahead and send crypto from Binance. So basically, sending crypto from your Binance account is a bit, it depends on whatever interface you're using. If you're using your phone, it's relatively easier. But if you're using your laptop, it's relatively a bit complicated. Okay. So in your phone, it's going to give you two options. You're going to go to the Binance Pay section. And once you come to the Binance Pay section, it's going to give you two options. Okay. Either send or receive. So you're going to click on send. And once you click on send, you're going to either enter someone's email, which is going to be their Binance email, or you're going to go into the Pay ID section and enter someone's wallet address, okay? And that is how you can send it to another wallet. You can also go into Spot, okay? Basically, this is mostly what you do on PC, okay? So you're going to go and trade, you're going to go on spot, and once we go on spot, in spot we can actually transfer our currencies, okay? So once you've done your spot trading and all, and you've actually gotten an amount of Bitcoin out, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and send it out to people, send the actual money. You're going to enter the amount, okay? And then there's the receiving amount. And then finally, as you can see, you can recurringly send it out to people. You can sell it out to people. It's pretty easy and pretty basic stuff. And there's also different crypto markets over here, as you can clearly see. And you can choose any of these markets that you want. And in these markets individually, you can also go ahead and send things from here, which is pretty fun to talk about. It's pretty fun to get your head around this. All right. Now, once we've gotten a general idea of this, basically you're going to go to any new account or provider you have, or by new account, I mean to any new service provider. So let's say I'm going to come to my MetaMask, okay? So MetaMask is a wallet specifically for crypto and specifically for DeFi, which is decentralized financing, okay? So let me show you my MetaMask wallet. I'm going to open it up, and obviously it's going to ask me to sign up. But MetaMask wallet is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. You're going to want to make sure to sign in with this, okay? It's going to ask you your password. Just go ahead and add that in. And once you've added your password in, what you're going to do from there is, it's pretty easy to access your account. You're going to unlock your account. And then you have two mainnets, which is basically the actual blockchain you're going to be working on. Could be either Linea mainnet or Ethereum mainnet. Okay, Linea is a new blockchain that they created for the crypto zone. Ethereum, on the other hand, is the default blockchain that they usually work on. So it depends on you on whichever blockchain you want to go with. It depends on you on whichever blockchain you want to work with. And yeah, you get a pretty good and peripheral idea of how we're going to work with this. Now, once you've done this, or once you've opened your wallet, just take the wallet address from this wallet. Okay, your wallet addresses are pretty easy to find, as I stated. Once you take the wallet address, you're going to come into the sender section in Binance. In the sender's address, add the wallet address you want to transfer this to, and you should be good to go. Okay, it's going to transfer it from your Binance wallet to, whatever, in this case, MetaMask wallet, but, in other cases, whatever wallet you're adding, it's going to transfer it to that. And that is basically how easy it is to send crypto from your Binance to other wallets. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot of videos like these for you. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.